Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix file transfer speed drops to 0 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your file copy speed is dropping to 0 and it is getting very slow on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first and simple method is you have to just open the task manager, right click on the taskbar, then click on task manager. Under performance tab, you just need to find Windows Explorer, right click on that, then click on restart. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If this option doesn't work, then type the device manager in the search, click on the device manager, double click on the disk drives, select the drive, right click on that, click on property. After that, you just need to click on policies. Under policies, here you will find another option, select better performance. After that, you will find enable write caching on this device. If this is unticked, you have to just check mark this option, then click on OK, then click cancel and restart your PC. After restarting, then try to copy. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 file transfer speed drops to 0 on a desktop or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.